Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cellular data issue detected on iPhone or if your network not working. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So first of all, you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. So it will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you just have to simply go back, open up your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have any VPN here, you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. Once you have disconnected, simply go back and here open the software update section, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available here, or if you have any update like that, so you have to try to update your software. And once you have updated, you have to simply go back, and here if you are still having the same issue, you just have to open the general, then tap on this transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. Once you have that, it will reset all of your phone's network settings, and once you have reset all of your network settings, it might be that your problem will be fixed because sometimes you have accidentally enabled or disabled any settings which is making issue, so it will almost fix that issue. You have to simply select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and your phones will be restart for this. Or once you have that, or you still have the same issues, you have to go scroll down, go for screen time, and then go for content and privacy restrictions. You have to make sure that you have disabled this toggle like that, because I have already disabled. So sometimes it might be that you having make any restriction on your phone, so it might be you can face these type issues. You have to disable these settings. Once you have disabled or you are still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you have to simply make a forced restart in your phone, because sometime after any update or anything else, your phone might be fond of restart. So let's see how can you easily do that. You have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes pretty black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. So you just have to wait for it here until you get the Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix all of the issues you have. So in this way, you can really fix if you are unable to use cellular data or network into your phones. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.